how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Jack Skellington with a Christmas hat. There's going to be a little bit of color as well, so that's pretty much it. It's going to be step by step, completely for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you will be able to do this. And yeah, let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the round part of his head down here. And if you can't do the entire round part in one shot, you can always do it like this. Draw these parentheses signs. And then just kind of connect them at the bottom, right? To do like something round enough. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be putting up Halloween and Christmas videos every year. And then through the year, I'll post here and there. But definitely hit that up. But yeah. But don't forget to press the bell notification. Going to go over here and I'm going to throw in his face. So right now I'm going to throw in the circle right here for one eye. Circle over here for the other eye. A dash right here for one nose. It's really just like a line right here, and dash for another one. You know, pretty simplistic, honestly. Gonna go over here. Excuse me. I'm a little bit tired. Pull down. And a smile here, and then pull up. Okay. I'm gonna fill in that eyeball shape. Like, I guess it's like he looks like a skull, right? Jack Skellington. Like a cool looking skull. Go over here on this side. Like so. Okay. I'm going to go in here now and go into the, oops, I'm going to fill that in more. The mouth right here. You could just draw like that, but I like doing this other thing where I go one side here, so it doesn't look continual. It looks a little bit more like, you know, teeth or something like that. I kind of like doing it for one side than the other. Jack Skellington is this awesome character which encompasses both Christmas and Halloween. Go over here. Like that, along the ridge. So that's gonna be for the Christmas hat. You're gonna, whew, excuse me. I'm so sorry. I've just been kind of tired lately. I've been doing videos and working on art stuff like all night sometimes. And then zigzagging here on one side, zigzagging here on the other side. For kind of the you know, the brim of the hat has that fuzziness to it, and I'm gonna connect it, right? It's essentially a, you know, rectangle, whatever, laid across his head. Right now it looks like he's like a goofy haircut. Let's actually kind of go in more. I'm gonna go in here, top part of this hat, curve in here, left. You know, for the ball of that, I mean for the edge of that hat over here. Over here on this side, for this side of the hat, gonna throw maybe a fold in there, like it's lying over, maybe another fold. And then from here, I'm gonna find the edge. And then you have that ball right there, and it's almost always, you know, same texture, right? Same texture. From here on, I'm gonna find the thicker line here on the outer edge of everything. I just want to put a thick line everywhere because I like that it looks like a marker pretty much. I'm really digging that. Like a marker, like a sticker. I call it stickerfying, and I like the fact that the outside edge is thicker and then everything else, and that's kind of what I want to do. I recommend you do the exact same thing. You don't have to, but I like doing that thick outside border. I think it's you know, very valuable to do that. marker over here, right over here. I'm going to straighten out these lines right here because they're kind of flaking off. And a line over here. And that's it. That's Jack Skellington. But you know, let's jump into the color real quick. I'm gonna put a red right there across just to kind of give it some festivity. You can do it in anything you want. You can do it in marker. You can do it in crayon. You can do it in colored pencil. I personally like marker, and I like this marker, the Prismacolor markers, or the Copic. The reason I like them is because they don't rub through it. So for example, like right here, I'm touching the black marker. I actually just ran it right through the black, and it did not smear. You're gonna find that, like, you're gonna find that in the other markers, like, you know, the Crayolas that I was just using. If I use the red, it will smear. I don't know what it is. It's probably the same formula, but these are better. I'll put these in the description. Prismacolor, really, really good stuff. I actually highly recommend that you buy them just to have around. They last forever too. But yeah, just you can buy them from the link in the description if you want. But probably the best markers, those and the Copics are like the best. All right, here. There you go. You got that flat area here. And what I also recommend is you grab like a really light blue and you go along the edges of the white right here. So for example, see how that's white? I will go along the edges right here and draw like maybe a line right there and make it a little bit jaggedy just because this is fuzzy. And it gives it some, it just gives it a little bit of dimension. Like it looks like reflection off of a surface or something. Especially off the white surfaces. I could do it on his face. I'm not gonna do it on his face though. I think his face is a little different than this. But there you go. Thanks so much, by the way. Don't forget to hit that like. The like matters the most, actually. You know, lets me know what to put on the channel. It helps the algorithm out. Also, let me know what else you want to see on the channel for Christmas. I'm going to be drawing Christmas drawings all month, obviously. Yeah. And the best thing you can do is to share the video. When you share the video, huge up. When you share the video, it really brings people into the channel, and it helps me out immensely. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. And if you enjoyed this, I'll see you soon. All right. Later.